Well, hello there, friends. It's been a year since I've seen you. A long time. I'm telling you, I missed you guys. But let me tell you, retirement is a beautiful thing. Hey, by the way, did you notice? Lost 20 pounds. Took me 1 year. You know, it's tough to lose weight when you're a chef. But retirement is a good thing. You wake up when you want. You do whatever you want. If you want to take a nap in the middle of the afternoon, nobody tells you can't do it. And believe me, I became very good at retirement. But after almost a year, I discovered something. I miss you guys. I miss walking into this kitchen. I miss sharing the recipe with you. I miss reading the comments every morning. I miss your success stories and your comment and your question. Well, maybe not all the questions. You know, I'm still responding today. Can I replace red wine with ketchup? No. Throw me the question. If I see them, I'll answer them. You know, I started the channel to teach you guys how to cook. I never imagined in a million years that today I would have millions of friends all over the world, and that YouTube channel would have received, as of today, 275 million views. That's pretty amazing. Cooking has been my life for over 60 years. Yeah, 60 years. Started, I was very young. I still get excited every time I walk in the kitchen. I love the cooking, I love the teaching, and most of all, I love to share it with you guys. And now, don't worry, I'm still retired, but I'm going to retire with an apron on. So we're going to cook again. We're going to do more things again. We're going to laugh again, and we're going to have a good time. And we're going to learn a few new tricks, and we're going to make a few mistakes. You know, I'm going to make them. But we're going to cook together, and we're going to create some delicious memory. So I just wanted to thank you for waiting for me. I want to thank you for all your message, or your email, or your prayer, or your kindness, and the incredible support while I was away. So welcome back, my friends. Jack prepared a little collage of some of the videos that we're going to be releasing in the next few weeks. We're going to have one coming up next week. Matter of fact, I'm not sure, I think Jack has got that one going. I think we're going to make my famous onion gravy. It's the most amazing gravy. I make it all the time, and I realized I did not make it on the channel. So that's going to be our first video. So friends, check out the little collage of Jack, and I'll see you next week with that onion video. Looking forward to it. So I don't say hello anymore. I'm already said hello in the opening, right? Yeah. Well, hello there, friends. And that sauce, my friends, you can rub it all over your body. That's one of those sauces you can do that with, I promise you. When the last time you ate a dish and you go, you know, I love your dish, I love your onion sauce, but there was one piece of onion was a little too big. Get out of my kitchen. I don't know if you've ever smelled shallots that are sweating in butter. Sweating. It's a culinary term. Don't think I'm kidding here. It's true, friends. You're sweating the shallots, sweating the onion. You get the juice out of it. Let me tell you, it's all about texture. When you have a coulis of a fruit or a vegetable, it's the most intense way you can have that fruit or that vegetables. It's the finest possible sauce. It's all about texture. Remember the texture, the conductor of flavor? In this case, I'm going to show you. For those of you that worry about alcohol, don't worry about it. It's all gone. It's all disappearing in the house. Everybody in the house gets drunk, but you don't. No. But look at this, my friends. Look at this. You do your mise en place, you'll discover the joy of cooking. How do you like that? That's poetic. I could be a poet. Jack is laughing. I could be a poet. I certainly can't be a singer. Oh, that's for sure. Yeah, they all agree I can't be a singer. No.